Also by analyzing and studying the nature, the ancient healers of China discovered a connection not only of the nature and how things manifest through the seasons and the qualities and the climate, but also specific organs inside our body associated with some of those elements. So they found out that the wood element, spring and wind, have a relationship with liver and gallbladder, with the emotion of anger, the tissues of tendons, and the eyes, the organ sensor. So we're gonna look at the 5 elements. It's always our point of reference, and there is a relationship to every aspect of our body, mind, nature, climates, colors, food. There's everything that we see is 5 elements, and it all comes from yin and yang. That's the foundation, split, and then the manifestation. And with regards to the fire element, we have the heart. The heart is the organ system associated with fire. The heart is the emperor, is basically the boss of the body. A healthy heart manifests a healthy empire, a healthy body. A weak heart, a deficient heart, troubled heart then shows up with difficulties in the bodies, because that's the emperor. He has to rule the body. And the emperor, the heart, has other organ systems to assist this important job, as the pericardium, small intestine, and triple wormer. 4. Every element has an association with 2 organ systems. One is yin, one is yang. In this case of the wood, the liver and gallbladder. Metal will be lung, large intestine. Water is kidney and bladder. Take a look at those in a moment. Earth, stomach and spleen. Fire, because the emperor is in it, is protected away, tucked away. There are 4 organ systems. This is the only element that has 4. And the pericardium is we'll talk more about the fire element the 4th day. And the specific organ system. The pericardium is the connector, the minister that connects the emperor with the rest of the body, the messenger. Small intestine and triple wormer. Triple wormer is almost like a thermostat in the body that keeps temperature at a good state. We'll talk more about that eventually. And the emotion, overexcitation, blood vessels is the tissue, and tongue is the sense organ. As we go with the class, more of those things will make sense. The more we understand the elements, the more the description will make sense. With the metal element, we have dryness, that's the climate. Lung, large intestine, that's the organ system, and we'll take a look at those today. Sadness is the emotion, skin is the tissue, and nose is the sense organ. With regards to the water, kidney and bladder, fear, it's the emotion of fear comes from the water element. And the tissues, bones, and the sense organ, ears. And to complete the picture, the earth element is the late summer, and the climate is dampness. The stomach and spleen are the organ systems. The emotion of worries, the tissue is muscles, and mouth is the sense organ.